Okay, so in this week's episode, what we're going to be doing is just swapping the main board out of the Xbox One, the original Xbox One, into the new one, because unfortunately just getting a new drive will not work. You will need to swap the board over. So to do that, you need to undo the 4 screws that are on the back, and once they're removed, we'll take a look inside. Okay, so I'm just going to start by removing the board screws. So once they're removed, and I'm going to want to remove the flexors as well. So there's 3 of those. One that goes to the laser, the other one that goes to the motor, and I believe that's the eject one. But yeah, once they're removed, we'll want to desolder the 2 wires at the top, the red and black one. Once they're desoldered, we can swap the boards over, and then obviously repeat the process in reverse. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're just going to do the same on the new drive. Desolder those 2 wires there, and once you've desoldered them, unplug the flexors, make sure the screws are out, and then swap the boards over. Okay, now we're on to the reassembly part. Just going to plug the flexors back in. I've already screwed the board down, and once make sure they're all lined up correctly. You'll see the little black marker on them, so it sort of gives you the indication, and the little white line on the board, so it gives you the indication as to how far in it needs to go. Obviously it needs to sit flat, you don't want to bend any pins. Resolder them 2 wires back on in the appropriate places, put it all back together, and then give it a test, and it should be job done. Yeah, and that all tested fine, so it read the disc perfectly fine. The problem with it before was it was making a quite a horrible grinding sound, so I think maybe one of the rollers was out, or could be the motor itself. But anyway, that's enough for today. Thank you very much. Please like and subscribe for more.